The hubby's making breakfast now. This is real life. Anyway, where are we today? Sara Mustafa's Mermaid Princess. Now, I have been wanting a Sara Mustafa for I can't tell you how long, but this is not the one that I wanted. I'm actually going to show you two that I wanted, but they just are constantly sold out. And Diamond Art Club said, you know, you have all these points and they're going to expire. Now, I didn't know that Diamond Art Club's points expired. And so I ordered the Moon Eater because I wanted a Yumi May. That was my first. And I was like, there's everything on my list of that I want is always sold out, always. And I said, oh, maybe Sara Mustafa has the one in that I want. I'll show it to you here. I can't remember the name. And they didn't. And I was like, you know, I have a lot of beautiful portraits of, you know, are they characters, personalities from Curtis Reykjavik from Dreamer Designs. And I was like, I don't have, I love Ariel, but I was like, I'm gonna get this one. I'm getting this one. I'm gonna get it. And when it came, and just looking at it in the box, I was like, holy Toledo. So we're gonna get to this beauty. And here's my shout out to Sara Mustafa. I am looking for the perfect Snow White. Please do a Snow White, please. Thank you. So here we go. These are my scissors from when I used to teach at the rec center. And I used to teach art to the little kiddos. They were fun. Oh gosh, I miss teaching kids. I miss teaching the little ones. Not the best thing to use to open up, but here we go anyway. Throw it down on the floor when you're done with it. I'm glad my nails aren't on. I love the new box. I do. I have to take these upstairs with me. I love the new box. I love that it comes out like this. I love it. Something else that I love the toolkit. I love that they've revamped also not only their canvas, but they revamped their toolkit. Baggies, which I've had so many of these, but I've come up with something to use these for. We're always, you know, we're crafty, and so we don't like to waste anything. I don't know how, I did use the new clear wax. I don't know how I feel about it, but I really do appreciate the little four-placer on here. The design of this. Am I doing something wrong here? People, help me. Oh, wow. What goes first? Oh, wow. This is, like, unusual. That's totally unusual. This is just, I'm really glad I didn't put my nails on yet. Okay, here's the second blazer. The red wax and the clear. This is more like a wax to me than a putty. That's what it felt like to me. It was very soft. But I have another surprise coming up this week, hopefully. I do love the skinny placers. Thank you very much for those. I do appreciate the wider tray. This one's a little, yeah, it's not having a good time. I love this. I love it. Treasure Quest card. And I love putting them up on little stands that I have and keeping them in my room. I have them from when I got married. I have the little place card settings, and I love, but I have these vintage ones that are just hands, and I think I found something that I'm going to use those for. So this is a bronze. I think this is the most, oh, it says scratch off below. I didn't even do that with the Yumi May. I just love these cards. And I love that you have this sticker sheet that goes in here with your kit up. And this is what tomorrow's video is going to be about for Tip Tuesday. So be prepared. That's why I have the baggies that I am using now. And I'll tell you guys. The Diamond Art Club canvas. I broke a nail. I'm trying to get that tray open. Am I doing something wrong? I'm so paranoid since I got those art dot trays that maybe I'm doing something wrong. Oh, I'm still, you know, having post-traumatic stress from those trays from art. I just love taking a Diamond Art Club canvas out of the packaging because This is like, oh my God, it's like cashmere. I love it. I love getting a first glimpse of the drills. And look at what's first. Oh, I think I read the box. It said for Aurora Borealis. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. 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 So pretty. Cute little package of drills. I'm going to roll her back on herself so that she opens up properly. Okay, how is this for a view? She is 47 colors. And she is 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. And are there any special drills? You know, everything has changed. You know, sometimes I find that the ABs are like down the bottom. Now they're on the top. She is 20 inches by 26 inches, and she is 50.7 centimeters by 65.8 centimeters. You guys, your members, you know what goes on here. The Do What Makes You Sparkle Diamond Art Club, or your socials, or your warranty. She's absolutely stunning. And since I don't, it's perforated. What are these sections? Are they actually 4 by 4? They look smaller. I mean, 4 inches by 4 inches. They actually look smaller. I guess not. So let's look. There's a nice mix of color blocking. I think a nice mix. Look at that face. Oh gosh, she has such a gift. So let me tell you about Sara Mustafa. She's an illustrator. Like, this is like her side hustle because she is a school teacher. I don't know if it's 1st or 2nd grade in Virginia, but she is, you know, sketching and doing her art, you know, as much as she can. And how wonderful that she can be a part of this community and share this lovely illustration with us that we get to diamond paint it. I love the flow of the hair. I love the color. Let's get some of these colors out. Well, let's get them all out. How about that? So I'm going to start where you have the most of one color. This is 814. There are 3 packages here, and 310. There are 2 packages there, and 154. There are 4 packages there, and 498. So this is absolutely, you can see where they're going to be in this canvas. They are the most prominent colors in the hair. Absolutely. You can see where they're going to go right there. Okay. And then we have the smaller guys here. Should we save the AB drills for last? Are they all together? They're not. Woo-hoo. Okay. You're making it interesting. I never could understand how companies, you know, do they do it by weight? Do they do it by number? No, these are not in numerical order. These are doubles, but I cut them off of this one. So these are the second, okay, these are going to be the second largest drills that are in this kit. So we have this one here, which is blacks and purples and a red, right? The purples and stuff, okay? And then coming up second, close behind, you're going to have these guys here, which are like your teals and yellows and blues. 3809, 597. Let me do it this way. 3809, 597, 127, 3808, 3750, 3778, 3823, 356, 3830, 744. They're your yellows, peachy colors, more of the blues complementing probably the blue that is in the background here. I see some down in here, not so much. That I don't believe that those colors are down here. And then judging by the array of smaller packages that I have here, I would think that these are going to be more towards the accent part of. You have your shading, which is going to be these darker colors. And then you have your highlight, which is going to be these smaller sections down here. I mean, look how little. 729, 3340, 3858, 3857, 608, 522, 3834, 823, that navy blue, 743, 3811, 740, beautiful orange, 612, 741, 966, 611, 120, our first AB, 141, our second AB, 3861, 758, and 3827. Okay, so we will cut out the ABs. So you have here your colors that are going to bring in light, your oranges, the greens, a complementary purple, a teal, another orange, a minty green. You can almost see where these colors are going to wind up at. In the face, the yellow, some in the background here. Very pretty. In her hair. Okay. And then we have, this is like in between the lightest colors, smallest amount weight-wise, and the heavy-duty high hitters. Okay. 3865, another purple. 3756, like a minty blue. 948, another probably going to be like a flesh color. 3776, 355, 817, 3836, 153, 754, 3810, 402. Here's our next and last AB, 114 and 598. And so what I like about this as I'm going through the colors is that there's a nice mix of a warmer blue and a cooler blue, a warmer orange, cooler orange, a warmer yellow, a cooler yellow. Oh my gosh. And like, this is the first time that I've done something like this, where this is like, this is a character, a Disney character, Mermaid Princess. It's not named Ariel, but let's look and see where these, yeah, girls, this reminds me of Cajun shrimp. The nail polish, it's probably like the closest thing to red I wore, like a reddish orange. 114, number 1. Where are you? Cajun shrimp. Here we go. Right here. All in here. In here. In here. In here. So, and in here. So you have the highlight in the hair. The light is going, a lot of shade color in here, those purples. But you're going to have the highlights in the hair being this beautiful, what I'm calling Cajun shrimp. I know that's not the name, but you know, I go through these DMC codes when I kit up, and I give you not just the name, but where they are on the painting. Okay, and then we have 1, 2. Let's do them in order. That was 114. 120. I think I know where it's going without even looking. 120 is number 2. And it's going to be here in this corner here. Move this up, girl. Right in here. Right in here. Right in here. Oh, down on the bottom. Some nice sparkle down on the bottom. Not in here. So 2. Oh, here we go. 2. 2. 2. Right in here. I don't see any 2s coming up here. 1s are in the hair. 127. And 127 is going to be 3. Oh, easy. This is 1, this is 2, and 127 is going to be 3. There's no AB in the eye. Okay, number 3. What color are you? You can sometimes just, you know, the colors are so close that you could, here we go, right here. She's here. She's here, and she's here, and here, and here, and here. So 3 is here. Few of them right here. 3. 1, 2, and 3. And are you going to be number 4? 141 certainly is going to be number 4. There's a sparkle in the eye. There's some sparkling here. None in the hair. The only ones for the hair is the 114. And here's the white. Oh, it's a beautiful canvas. Oh, I can't wait to dive into this one, just because I've never done anything like this, like an illustration like this. I think she's beautiful, and I think even though she's not a Curtis Rekovich, she's going to be a welcome addition. So I wanted to show you guys those. And getting back to Self-Care Sunday, you know, I'm going to tie in Lisette, because Lisette did an for her Sunday, she did a homage to 80 diamond painting creators. And I was like, oh, I'm getting in bed and I'm going to watch this, which I did. I was so, you guys know that I love a creative process, and listening to a diamond painter who has been around for 5 years, who was there like really when the whole diamond painting community started to explode, and hear about these earlier diamond painters that I knew nothing about. Most of them are gone, which is a shame. There's a few diamond painting companies that are not around either. But she not only said, you know, I started with this one and I started with that one, and then they became a little circle, and then they touched on something else, and then those two people started their own little, not their own little community, but introduction to other diamond painters. So I mean, she did a timeline really of diamond painters through pre-2020, I would believe, and then the explosion during the pandemic. I watched all 2 hours, Lizette, and I just thought it was fascinating. I think that you did an incredible job. You could work for CSI. You could do a timeline for them. It was that thorough and it was that interesting. And I found new diamond painters. A lot of them I already follow. But I found new diamond painters, and I found new people and new stories. It was so interesting, and thank you for including me in this journey of yours diamond painting. It was so special to me. Really scaled down, which I do when this goes out to the public. I don't just pop this up into the public arena, because this is our time, and this is not anything that I share with everybody else. I will scale this down just to the unboxing for the public. So thank you for being here. Thank you for joining. Thank you for being a member of this community. And thank you to my wonderful members that have been here, because I know that you will be welcoming, and I know that you will answer any questions. And I just love when I see you guys make connections with each other. And it makes our Friday night lives so much more special when you have that connection with other people that you know in Friday Night Live. Okay, I'm Italian. I don't know when to say goodbye. So bye. Peace out. Bye.